Hello, welcome back. I'm Preston from hottubsupply.com, and we're here today to go over the refilling process of your hot tub. So assuming you get a new hot tub or you're refilling a hot tub you drained, as we recommend once every 6 to 8 months, typically every 6 months. If you want to reference how to drain a hot tub or how the previous steps, I'd encourage you to go back and start there before you go to this step. But this step is the actual refilling, so when you add the water. So we've already cleaned the inside of the hot tub, we've added the Metal Protect. At this point, we're going to fill the tub with water. So this is my personal tub. I live on a well in the country with a well. And since I live in the country, my water is very heavy from a mineral and metal perspective. So one thing Master Spas, the manufacturer of this hot tub, and many other manufacturers recommend is to use this pre-filter. This particular manufacturer is Pleatco Pure. It's a very affordable product, really doesn't cost a whole lot. But what this does is it helps protect your filters. So at this stage of the game, you've hopefully got new filters on your refilled tub, or you have a brand new tub with brand new filters. These filters are pretty expensive. They can be found on our website at hottubsupply.com. So you're looking at, maybe up to $100 for a full set of filters. The idea of this is that you're going to protect these filters from that high mineral content that's in your water. So this is basically a pre-filter. So really what you do, you take your garden hose, you simply thread this on to the end of your garden hose like such. And you can see the water is now coming out of this filter. And this filter is going to catch a vast majority of the minerals and different small particulates that are in your water from your well origin source. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this hose in the filter component. And this is going to prevent any potential airlocks that we're going to see with our hot tub. So if you don't fill up the hot tub from the filter component, you have the potential to get airlocks and air buildup in the actual plumbing, and that can cause an error code in your hot tub. So because of that fact, it's always best to put your hose where the filter goes. That just makes sure you're not going to have any problems. When you add water to your hot tub, you really want to be right at where the manufacturer recommends from a water level perspective. So Master Spas, for instance, has a safe fill line inside the filter component next to the serial number. Pretty much all hot tub manufacturers have a recommended fill line, so we're looking at right here or up to the LED lights. It's important not to overfill these hot tubs, because if you overfill them, you can run into problems with some of these areas that have, air injection or diverter valves, or even the control panel. It's not good to have water permanently, or have these components permanently exposed to water. So once again, we're just thinking longevity of the tub. It's a Master Spas, built to last 20 plus years if we maintain it. So let's do everything we can to protect our investment. So that being said, that wraps up our fill process. We're going to go ahead and get this thing filled, and check back in the next video where we will go over balancing our chemicals.